twe mu no se me betina studio ha kan samba ku mienu miensa bi na mesrese mesa timu biem esanse se tia ni tia enka se abontensofo emefankodi na ya ka aban a eya na amanfo adwene ye omo se eye personalities no ene mane ya aban dabi se especially uwa aban adwuma mu ana se wa aban aso ye bia
yes
office no ene hia omanfo enye personality no eno ntina se wo ye personality na instead of rule of law wo ye hu se wo ye kokotakwa na ye twiwa ni mama Ghana fo ehu se dabi enye sa na mranika
nye sa na ye no
dabi enti respectfully ruling no ba akukure ni wa anyansa wom, and the High Court has no jurisdiction over such matters.
Oh, Sammy.
Debbie. Court to be anyone more, and to the extent of Supreme Court to interpret the Constitution. What I say?
Okay.
The courts as it is, yeah, High Court, you know. Only said to me, say, the Constitution and send to the Nimua, only betimiama ruling and answer judgment. There be only said to me, no.
High Court.
And so they should treat it with the contempt it deserves. Only said to me, no. And yeah, about striking it out, only said jurisdiction, only to me, yeah.
I didn't know High Court into me, yes, I did.
But your High Court may interpret the Constitution. And your High
Supreme Court.
And Supreme Court. Oh, the catcher said appointments Akufo Addo, you know. He has put a lot of square pegs in round holes. A lot of square pegs in round holes. On some fata, the Biama is when you say unqualified to be there. So you can see the pronouncements now we're making. So they don't make sense. I don't aspire to be one because of some of this misbehavior of so-called learned persons in the profession. So-called
High Court judge.
Yes, when you say Indian, now you know that Timusha. Indiana, yeah, street in Sukrana, yeah, lawyer for no one. Ya do you do a chance in Indiana or the ASR pronouncement, you know.
And then say Wakase.
Yes,
Sabi the prosecution say question now.
Yes,
the Attorney General and take it over from the OSP.
No, it doesn't lie in his mouth. It is said the president, that's what he said. He said, Ghana, I'm your president, you know, if you look, the name can a final, there be president only said to me, as one name and penny. The fact say, Tróuble say we are judging doesn't mean you can authorize others not to do things without any recourse to the law. The role must be played alongside the law. It is necessary setting aside. It should be treated with the contempt it deserves because it does not lie in that judge's mouth to pronounce anything unconstitutional.
OSP number because they are taking steps to overturn.
They cannot. Any question they should take any steps. Was said Ghana public, you know, we are superior to anything that happens by any state actor.
Even the judiciary.
So yes, because if the judiciary makes an unlawful pronouncement like this, it must be treated with the contempt it deserves.
I am to make your unlawful pronouncement.
Oh yes, why not? So that we can say kukun nipa. Ubet me deny judgment ni so kukun nipa. And you know, treat it with the contempt it deserves because one Kenyans asem one camera. It is a judgment to be ba. Let's say a unlawful judgment. Treat it with the contempt it deserves.
So the office of the special prosecutor and someone who draw, especially from last year, the Binum Cross original maybe say young permanent free the officer occupy as the special prosecutor because na djuma bi ana wo mo hwa oye no na enhyeda nso mani papa so mo hwe sede na ne niema bi kra ozu se ni nyina aka na sabe akabum obeka ya time a na Kenneth na Ofori Atta the former finance minister ehon sensem sorry kra doctor na wo office of the special prosecutor ho no de be ma attorney general no abayi nsem kese bebre ewo kro yi mu akon ho anse na owilizi docket no ade ama attorney general osusu sa na ema ni nyina na court na hwese bia sanka beboa na nka prosecution ni nyina betimi afa ba bi ba ko bi attorney general office na nka o matimi adi sa adwuma no a anka ebetimi ayi ana.
Let me state it here, and for the first time, maybe to the hearing of the general public. Obi anfa ne phone to say we are now ya woman no. Any kwan say wotin ho obi and educate you, that be educate yourself. Me catch you say me na catch me say ignorance of the law is no excuse no. I said you say so you lawyer and now you lawyer. So one time rebia say na mrani diwa ya de mrano e be di yen kasa won ti ase enti.
Okay.
And until you see ignorance of the law is no excuse no. So every day by whatever means I will be to shia mra kakra no shia mra na ya fa mra medi. What you say? I'm stating it for the first time on this platform say OSP na ewo hono office of the special prosecutor no. And yes, sir, Akufo Addo na all person or fighting corruption tina obi sa office no.
Ade enti no bi e.
Eye emra na e wo se ye diso as online. Not timelines down. Eye United Nations Convention Against Corruption. We patch off our phone no Google.
Okay.
United Nations Convention Against Corruption. Enuna emani ye enhye se e wo se on my way enya emra ni enya officer e be fight corruption aside from the office of the friend saying the Attorney General and Minister for Justice.
Okay.
And you know, say, in fact, I even fell for it. And I was educated. Because I came and sat here in this same studio and pronounced to say, President Mahama, only he said that
yes, and come about baby so.
What do I say? Me never tell you hakai.
Yeah.
But you know it was an unlawful comment.
So now.
Yes. Nobody can sack him. And nobody can quash that office.
Said they are
not even the Supreme Court. Hey, yes, that is the law. So, you call UN as a member country. And you are say, United Nations Convention Against Corruption. You been a separate entity aside from the office of the Minister for Justice and Attorney General. You been a special officer. When you know say when we have corruption and corruption related offences, no, you been making sure say you been the office no e been be di omo. To the extent say omo Parliament, yes. Members of that Parliament, even came out ignorantly to call for the abolishment of that office. It tells you it's an Indian form.
And it's a OSP no kwatena office ho.
Yes.
Ni dwumadi a wodi.
Yes.
And bo minor.
Yes.
Ye hunu so a yentimi emane nko. Yentimi mane free office ho na bia
you see
is that how
you see we have two things. We have two things.
Okay.
The person that takes the office is the special prosecutor.
Yes. Yes.
Say who will be tia special prosecutor now? Like say Chief Justice Kennedy. What must I say?
Yes.
You must take that person through that same process.
Okay.
A bubona who there is a deal na a bubona I will see a unity. But you can't abolish that office. So separate,
it has come to stay.
Separate the SP from the OSP.
OSP.
There are two things. The SP no and the manager or the administrator of that OSP, the office of the special prosecutor. The office no any baako. That is a ministry for justice and attorney general.
Yes.
Ministry no. There were the agencies. Juma under the ministry. And there were entities ahodwa omodida agencies nano.
Okay.
Any departments nano. Enti enya aye nyina no sorry a no afa asem no de akoto court there be. Anani deputy no sorry no afa asem akoto court. Enu ti na be better studio ha kan say aye ni director for public prosecution no. Ebi ni sa ade we ya o mali. Me see MPP for no ma destroy o man no. And the word reset no, it is bigger than what we are seeing. Some of my questions in the MPP the church. And Ayeni is just playing to a certain that he said he wants to see, like, as a you say sometimes he's very naive.
Dr. Dominic.
Oh yeah. He's
Dr.
No, he's not naive about the law.
Okay, good.
He's thinking, say, you paint me nyane bonesa, but I deal with identity image and then respect medema Dr. Yomi Neswati papa.
And I'm saying we are
yes, because anyone that goes to court to say young good office no na yama or no or ye ayeni yes about fighting corruption adia United Nations and ama Ghana aye a compelling Ghana ma ye say Akufo Addo na or person of fighting corruption to go create his office no. Nobody should say it anywhere. We were compelled to set that office to be known and to renew our affirmation. Say we are a serious country that wants to fight corruption.
Okay.
Anytime the country say Google United Nations Convention against corruption. But you Google it then
I said the United Nations Convention Against Corruption. That's UCAC.
Yes.
UNCAC. Yes. It's the only legally binding universal anti-corruption instrument adopted by the UN General Assembly in October 2003 and entering into force in December 2005. It addresses cross-border nature of corruption through prevention, criminalization, international cooperation, and asset recovery. Yes.
So only Emrana edi ye OSP no, the Office of the Special Prosecutor Act no. Only no more was here. So I'm just giving you just a brief.
Okay.
Just so that I say preventive measures, criminalization and law enforcement, international cooperation, asset recovery, etc. So the functions are. It is comprehensive framework covering prevention, investigation, and prosecution of corruption, covering both public and private sector corruption. That's the function. So the same idea we know, and you left here and the special prosecutor and the act. No, it's anyone that fights the office of the special prosecutor is rather fighting against those who are fighting corruption. Does it make sense? So between the MPP,
yes,
by MPP for no, MPP for no. So say who are fighting those who are fighting corruption.
The other man who became fear say, His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama,
yes,
unscrubbing the office of the special prosecutor.
I didn't say so. Okay,
good. Sorry,
man, can say unscrubbing
office no only over Kisi Jabi.
Yes,
so in every one.
I mean, can some show. I fell for two things. One, I felt say Kisi Agyapong because was appointed by the XY regime. Now it was at a snail pace and he could have done better. If you see you're fighting corruption there. Now you're not a separate office that is different from the Ministry of Justice and Attorney General.
Yes.
Now Kisi Agyapong you be 2 million now be say fight corruption. Now yes slow pace and that slow pace your friend is say prosecution there.
Yes.
And you one own to me yet. Tiemfa mo bi obey na basahare so. But Dr. Yeni, any same side, they have proven to say that to have been right with time.
How
many prosecutions have they done so far? How many prosecutions? Tell me. How many prosecutions? Tell me one prosecution from that office, the office of the chief defense and justice.
Not so much filing for extradition.
Let me tell you. They file. They are a laughing stock. I'm disappointed but I'm so disappointed in him.
The Attorney General filing for extradition here.
Well, file it. And then they file it for extradition. Office now you seek to scrap no.
Yes.
Na juma o investigation o we dia so e dia kwa extradition atia Ken Ofori Atta no. Say office ni enya ne den. They are just putting themselves into public derision. What do you say? Office of the judicial office Ministry of Justice
yeah.
And Attorney General.
Yes.
What do you say? Investigation BNT Ken Ofori Atta court. Not one. You can't tell Ghana for you say me office. Ministry side office no. Yeah investigation ba akwatia Ken Ofori Atta ntebia even on the issue of cathedral ya dina kwa court. Omuni how many years ni? 1 and almost half years ni. Yeah ba ba mu no. Omuni hwe omutimi tia Ken Ofori Atta apart from the OSP aye.
Okay.
SML. ECG. Ambulance. Akabako.
National Cathedral
be enkan. National Cathedral be anu our investigation as at yet. Ena omonam no wako omumienu your friend say OSP no ena omu pese omu gu no. Na omu gi tumi ne koma your friend say yoko na ono konfo e cast na say omu di omani si cast so. So I think, sir, we should. You see, I have called on the president, and I call on him again. You see, some of us we hear muntina papa ngoma so ye pa ngoma so.
Okay.
Because Article 88, you know, and you're unambiguous. We patch out when you Google Article 88, you know. Na kaina etie fo nyina entie bi
yemreni egregu so court ntino
say article me catch am say we dey just for the purpose of
okay
yankomodi ma menya ne intentem kra na ankoye say ade a che say very easy to understand yet tina honum amana koye say because of some interest bi obi ani obi ntokwa say ye dia yo ye titi ho yama article 88 4 no me here ni
article 88 4
we say all offenses till prosecuted in the name of the Republic of Ghana shall be at the suit of the Attorney General or any other person authorized by him in accordance with the law. Any other person authorized by him. Wait, must you go to KG to understand this English? Yeah, we'll be a filing suit to Supreme Court. Now, Attorney General, Minister for Justice, in today. Why must this be very difficult for you to understand?
Okay,
when you have been given the authority, and to fight corruption, you know, Attorney General Godfrey gave the OSP mandate or authority to fight corruption.
Okay.
So preachers of fighting against corruption, you know, Minister for Justice and Attorney General, when we want to mean OSP 2 means on Congo prosecuted that. Then it means we were not ready to fight corruption.
Medasi, Listo and Anakusipoku, Executive Director, the Good Governance Advocacy Group Ghana.
It begs for the understanding why.
Nothing seems to be going on. Nothing.
Okay.
Because we are not ready to fight corruption. And so they should stop always tickling our ears and letting us feel, say, apparently you're ready to want to fight against corruption. No, I don't think so.
And then they are a MPP Amanyokono a press conference. A woman General Secretary Justin Frimpong Kodia Edianim Ekasade Fa Sabre Achicha Ekoso say Sabre de 2 million Ghana for the say NDC for sa sen komo fembu o man enye no mo hwe ne mum adeche om so machiwe ana memo no megade to yan hwemra ye ba ye beto akomode ne so
sad that the IGP Yowonu has created an office whose duty is just to be coming around social media to identify people who criticize the government. And in midnight, early hours, will go and arrest these people to such an extent that even where the Constitution says that when a person is arrested, detained, or restricted, it must be communicated immediately to the person his crime. But in most cases, they don't. Meanwhile, we have people in NDC who on every day attack personalities in MPP, previous ministers in MPP, but IGP Onu don't see those people. The only people that he sees are those who criticize the government. It's a shame for us as a country, and it's a shame to his office as IGP of this republic. Yes, he might have been appointed by the NDC, but at least he must also have conscience and conviction and exhibit high level of professionalism in your daily activities as a man in uniform. And some judges have turned themselves into remand judges. The only thing that they do is to remind people of opponents who criticize this government.
Patriotic Party, just what's this idea? And it's a bino, I say, and Chichin, and now yachiwi, watching yachiwi, na a memoir Ghana for Trabadia and DC, so woman, general tour, and one more MPP for Anna Bain at the political power intimidate you more brown or much at you. Then I will can't found the church meetings.
Be a very serious man in life. I don't discuss very unserious people.
This is the biggest opposition party, the New Patriotic Party. I don't serious.
Say because I have come from MPP, I really understand the party much more than these. I mean, children of today. What you say?
Okay.
And so udi nkolagro ofie na mpanifo ntimi emfa sebi nyansakwan so ntiamo na nkolagro na mode party ni be disene mudi ya we na also person o retain in the MPP General Secretary
asema okana eni so okana
it doesn't hold water
omachi me no ka say em say omachi abronya don't know so meja no me no ka say Bono regional communication officer de MPP omo friend of Baba Amando today ono so wo machi ne woni niam bia wayem asem no kan yesa na tie
say me kai MPP of yesterday na me share MPP of today I think say they are aging in uselessness.
Adentia.
On say na edupon wumpa atitru ya sebi o mabo bew. Say kane no say CMPP for ba now share more say be bo roll call be pia na ne yesi ebo MPP na mu general secretary ni mo national organizer na nabi one me ni so ya lawyer for they don't know anything law. They only knew the judges, like I've always said. Only a lawyer for we a lawyer. The Okasa we a lawyer me. So you wonder how he became a lawyer. What is unlawful about the Ekosun? What is unlawful about it? Oh, by you make a lawyer no see article say we say say lawyers don't talk morality. Lawyers talk law. You think I will ban now? What say? IGP muana make an assemble. Me can be tia IGP dampare. Me tumbre me tia sie. Me can say all your extrajudicial killings. Me try baby about yam. Satan no your IGP. Anything could have happened. You know a number of people who have told me say the armed robbery they could cause so no. He had a hand in it. I came and sat here and said it. I never run away from whatever because me tumria me say usiekura me tumre also. There is a difference between obi ano support to Mahama and opposition. And the omu and opposition. There is a vast difference. Gentia won't be met in NAPO. It's not because NAPO asema wo kan and then we dey wo kan eyepe. NAPO no Makacho said there are only 2 categories of human beings on this earth. 2 categories. See the nipa nyina sia. Ni say one category of the persons omo jin ansa no ma ye bibi anu na broni friend think before you act. And another category they act before they think. And only MPP and MPP. Okay. Now we are telling you the difference. Very well. Yeah, criticism. Yeah, and Akufo Addo. Akufo Addo, even when we were making sense, he was arresting us. We need to be able to Net2 studio. Your pound studio. Was here then a Kwabena Agyarko. Akokasa na yire akofa abaya asase yeso wa fampo wa wia abaya asase ya sema Kwabena Agyarko kan ye no kre se na yire ampampa wa ko wia abaya asase a wo si wono ne foundation e wo so omode ayi ye fe ni sen anto bamfo kokotakofo e ba mo Kwabena Agyarko de ne ko to afiase and I don't know why I need them. I'm going to call Akufo Addo ni fie nche hwa say home na antibeki na ko be to ne yam say ya che Kwabena Agyarko ya okoka antibeki asem say we no akwa wi aban asase e wo ahaya ekire haya omo without recourse to law say impo say me ni wumienu sebi we president na me kan say na egu crown president no wo fi. Yeah, who president, you know, you're saying you cannot be sued. That's how person taking legal remedies against me. And you're your person versus me, and you're the Republic versus Kwabena Agyarko. I know, we are lawyer for. Yeah, we see Antonio Framono. Put me Kwabena Agyarko versus the Republic. As I'm just never Akufo Addo. Akufo Addo, Ghana. Look at who is talking. What am I saying? Akufo Addo Ghana. And I come at Ghana, me come at Rebecca and was him. I've been at the IGP studio. Have you seen the quality of IGP like this before? Did you appoint one? Did you have an IGP that had this competence? Yeah, and now Chroma. How many times do you hear about armed robbery? Tell me.
They say they're
look at the level of security in this country.
Yeah.
Did you have such an IGP? You brought an incompetent person, a square peg in a round hole, and you claim that you are giving us security. When Yakoda and Adwa, I had 3 different places I made that. Because some of that I didn't tell me. And under you, brand new tier rubber pickup. The two say Muslim say any ebeje. You are talking about what security in this country? Hey. And then we no na plan ajo and I'm see o manya bi no mo stand fro. That's why I'm saying I don't discuss on serious persons.
Okay.
It's messy because you see the more now we discuss your mono, then I say you are giving them some reverence and you are glorifying their stupid and fool.
Martin.
It's messy.
Martin.
So we say they have legal basis. It's a rule of law nation.
Okay.
They should take the matter to court and stop worrying our ears. We are not here to listen to morality from any lawyers.
Very well. Yanko Ghana Port. We know because a Republican AI system. Anas see Ghana Port or Aqua determine Seniama prices. Any ehoniema nepoku and a buyer na watching me in chilling. Now freight forwarders woho kakra bi se there be AI publican system na nya dia ebebo mo freight forwarders no omadwuma nje be yanka ban enyim free wo na old system na amra sense mi se what TV there na wo kan dia fam
Obinpon, I'll take this as a subject here a break akra.
Okay.
But me training tia no ma born tougher. Nobody is against innovation. Me, I have criticized the AI publican and I hold my words intact. And we are all there to help Abai to make sure say we bring the quality of revenue, because revenue assurance and and I'm there to help anyone who wants or requires a moi. I am never against anything innovative. No, innovation be a bois. Now, port system biano, you will have a managing na a beba abaya winning, not importance wa winning. All stakeholders be winning. Send an anno mekan, you couldn't go for media. I've been a victim. I can show you the details of Enema. You can see it from here.
Okay.
Share. A dozen. Just to I'm seeing a person with bonnet of Now, so we share the duty. Adia, the Koto, you see me kutia, very outrageous. It's almost 1.5.
That's 1,453,000. No, 70.
Now, another way, semi dinner.
Yeah.
Adia, a Juma May. Now, Adia, you can say, because AI is supposed to better an existing system. It is not supposed to compound the problems that the system has.
Okay.
Now, in computing, AI computer,
yeah,
there will be there the friend garbage in, garbage out. Mm-hmm. So, I have kept asking this very simple question. Now, in Penifoni P, only understanding of what we mean, but Emra, enemy who say. The problem is being solved because every AI system must have up to about 5 and maybe makuchira me pese me take us through then we close
very well.
Very kind. And we say now legal grounding AI system now will produce a report but let's ask ourselves, does this one have so much to talk about it?
Okay.
But I will rush it through.
Okay.
There also be I will see a business say predictability of, for example, trade information what am I say? For example, AI no ebetimi ama obia ono no o kofa ne ma beton no when ya gidie wo mu say me ne ma na amakọ akofa na egu container mu no say baga na AI ni betimi a predict ama mehu say ade na metua ebia say no ebia ya improve system no tikura ampo no the quality of information AI ne wa obetimi dia ye ama mehu say na me nkotua no obetimi ama me ana ebio e was say me transparency and yes sir wo na your tax officer wo say wo dem and I wo say me dia me nkotua wa bra me nim kwaya of us on calculation
okay
enti e was say me transparency e was say me timi wo kwaya of us so a wo reche at a figure wo person nkotua
okay
enti and last but not the least the human oversight. What I say? And system beyond so you see you will be a friend appeal. Now appeal one of my problem with say ya minimum kawa demurrage reduction. I'm yet to go through an appeal system which can take me about 3 weeks. Who pays for the demurrage? Wow. Demurrage of $150 dollars a day. No, why no be here? So it appears say we rushed ourselves through a certain process.
Okay.
And akoma before any aban enya sebi clash.
Okay.
Or a crash.
Okay.
What I have proposed, let me say, aban should open up and allow for agentire ebia systems be wa aban can also adapt to making sure say the aims of pelican no betimi akio obi eni wonu ma ochi for asem pakodo okay bi na mom no say ye adwe say ye ne ye aban enti de ye pe ene ye beye ebi ene 1.5 yi na opese me force na down my throat because tia na makọ bobesia na makọ tia na mayi me ye the calculation no say me tia 1.5 we ya Edra me turn 30 cedis no I have to be selling it at 91 cedis to make a profit of 1 cedi. Who takes the burden? It will erode all the positives of abaya aba and they say bibia broko from sugar broko from emo broko from enti bedu baby no ubon say emo no ye kan boa na amma edina no bo enti ye be sraban say I'm being positive sabi abide the oil in
yes.
How we bring the revenue me I don't believe in under invoicing. I don't believe in under declaration. And I mean person me dear do so say was a bind so over invoicing.
Okay.
And now over declaration. This about to use free one. AI it will work effectively. But AI cannot work when there is no data.
Midase. Listo Nana Kusipoku, Executive Director at the Good Governance Advocacy Group Ghana.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.